Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we are going to make almond and buckwheat flour muffin. We need 5 eggs, half a cup of butter, half a cup evaporated milk, 1 cup buckwheat flour, 1 cup almond flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. For my sweetener, I use Goya chocolate chips, silicone spatula, measuring cup and measuring spoon, mixing bowl, muffin tray or cupcake tray. Crack the eggs. Gently beat the eggs. Add the butter. Add the evaporated milk. Gently mix the buckwheat flour and the chocolate chips. Add almond, buckwheat flour, and chocolate chips. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Put 1/4 cup of muffin mixture on your cupcake or muffin tray. This is completely optional. I use chocolate chips as sweetener. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Put it on a cooling rack after baking. There you have it, my almond and buckwheat flour muffin.
If you'd like me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.